remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of mini diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut-off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori air fryer. Available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes in classic black, red, or white. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
Today, we're going to show you how to char grill vegetables without the hassle of an outdoor grill. We've got some zucchini, yellow squash, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, portobello mushroom, asparagus, cooking spray, salt, and pepper. And we're using the grill plate. Let's get started. With the brio on, we'll begin by setting the cooking temperature to 425 degrees. Press temp and use the up and down arrows to adjust the cooking temperature. Next, we'll set the cooking time to 8 minutes. Press start pause to begin the preheat cycle. The temperature will flash until your set temperature is reached, indicating that the unit is preheating. While the brio is preheating, let's prepare the veggies and place them on the grill plate. Start by spraying the vegetables with cooking spray. Next, season them with a sprinkling of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. When the brio has finished preheating, open the door and, using tongs, remove the grill plate from the brio, placing it on the open door. Place the seasoned vegetables, skin side down where necessary, onto the grill plate. Return the grill plate to the brio and close the door to start the cooking cycle. Halfway through, 4 minutes, open the door and turn the vegetables, then close the door and let the brio finish cooking. This way you'll get those beautiful grill marks on both sides. When the brio has finished cooking, it will show end on the LED screen and shut off. Open the door and remove the grill plate using tongs, or use an oven glove. Place it on the open door again. You just learned how easy it is to grill indoor with the Brio air fryer oven, and we hope this video inspired your next meal.